Did you know that some animals can regrow their limbs? Meet the axolotl, a creature from Mexico City's canals. Once, a young axolotl named Axel lost his tail in a daring escape from a hungry heron. With determination, Axel regrew his tail, proving his incredible regenerative powers. This ability not only makes him a survivor, but also a hero in his aquatic world. So next time you see an axolotl, remember, this little creature holds secrets of regeneration, offering hope for future medical breakthroughs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more animal fun facts.